talking about the weather. Did you see the thunderstorm late last night? No, I totally missed it. It was pretty loud. Did you sleep through it? I guess I must have. Didn't hear a thing. I watched it from my bedroom window. The rain was really heavy. I heard on the news this morning some areas had a lot of flooding. My aunt's basement got flooded. They're doing cleanup today. Was there a lot of damage? Not too much. A few items near the stairwell. That's good. Some of the roads were flooded out as well. Did you see the sinkhole on the highway? No, I didn't. Was it bad? One whole section of the road collapsed. I guess with a heavy downpour, the ground turned into a swamp. I can't believe I didn't wake up. It was pretty late when the heavy stuff started coming down. Plus, it happened so fast, it was over in about 20 minutes. But what a downpour. Sounds like it. I guess our neighborhood was pretty lucky. Lots of big puddles, but no flooding. The weather report says only neighborhoods in the lower parts of the city were affected by the flooding. That makes sense. Well, it's supposed to be sunny and warm today, so hopefully most of it will dry up.